Igama lami Vanessa, I'm sitting in the Miracle World Bible Fellowship. Today is 16 June 2025. We are celebrating the 16th June, a young movement of youth of Miracle World Bible Fellowship. Thank you. Okay. Igama lami Mnowethu Mdebele. On the Miracle World Bible Fellowship International khona la ePinar kaMsogwaba. Lana nje nikubona kwendekako celebrate 16 June. Ngiyabonga. Umthetho ahlale phasi bamba umthetho. 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 Ahlale phasi bamba umthetho.
Hey, what's up guys? My name is Austin aka Mr. A2L and welcome back to another episode on Daily Pictures 20. So today I'm here with
Tinyiko Makubela.
So Tinyiko, we just want to know like what's happening back there. Like I see the movement, I see the noise, everything is like fire. What's happening? Just elaborate something, just a little.
Sibase Miracle World Bible Fellowship International. Okay. We decided to do this youth movement and include other people in our community of Pinar to just remember the struggles of the people who brought us here, who made sure that we have the proper education that we have today. Just to remember, because we tend to forget the people who sacrificed so much so that we can be here today.
Okay. Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm here with
Precious Kawinda.
Precious. Wow, I like your name. So today we see the movement. What's going on? Just explain a little about what's going on.
Oh, we decided as the youth of Miracle World Bible Fellowship International to have an event today just to commemorate the youth of 1976 they fought for our education. So this is just a commemoration to what they did, the stand they took for us to have better education.
Pambili. So I'm going to the pastor right now for this. Kujan,
ngiyaphila kunjani papa?
Ngiyaphila papa. Hey, siyajumpa ngiyabona manje le movement hey, ngiyapushe. So ngifuna kwathi ukuthi kahle yini inhloso yale movement?
Inhloso yale movement ukuthi abantu labasha bangalahlekelwa ngumlando wale live lakithi. Baphindze bakhuthateke ngalama struggle heroes laphila before thina. Uma bafundiswa bayalwa ngetinto letendiwa ngilaba sifikela phambili.
Okay, asiyabonga papa. So guys, right now I have the secretary of the youth of the church and she'll introduce herself and tell us a little more about what's happening in this event because it's crazy. I'm even sweating as you see me, bro. Like, damn, I'm sweating. So today I'm here with...
Hi, my name is Samuel Siwe. I'm the secretary of Youth Miracle World Bible Fellowship International. So today we decided to host a march celebrating the lives of the youth of 1976 that fought for us to not to learn in Africa. And so we're saying we are thankful for them, for their lives, the blood that shed for them. We are grateful for that. We are also saying we are tired of GBV. We here to stand out and say we're tired of being killed like animals as humans. So we are grateful for this march and everyone who came here as a youth, as united as we are. We invited other people from the community. It is not something from the church. We're inviting everyone in our community to form part and stand with us. We say we're tired with GBV. We can see that we have been posting mental health awareness for the youth of Ipinari, because we're tired of youth committing suicide. So today we're gonna have guests from, I think it's Old Mutual, someone from the health department. I'm not sure of the others. So from here we're gonna move to church. That's where they're gonna introduce to us and tell us what the way forward from here to there.
Okay, thank you very much. Now I understand more. Now I understand. I was invited here and then I was like, oh, what's happening?
Standing out,
Yeah, just thank you.
Hi, this is Precious Kawenda for Cute Snaps. Please subscribe to Daily Pictures 20. Hey.
Hey, my name is Samgelsiwe. Shout out to the youth of Miracle Weed and Binary. You can subscribe on YouTube on Daily Pictures 20.
Freedom!